garbage, cells.
5.
Again, thank you for coming in quickly and quietly, getting that bell ringer done. Talking about why a tree would be a sustainable natural resource, why or why not. Then I'll know you have that finished when I see out your green worksheet from yesterday. That'll be my indicator that you're ready to talk. So what I need from you, yesterday we talked about these natural resources. You should have out your green worksheet. Please double check that your name is on it. Put it together with your lab partner. And then put it at the ends of one of your tables. All together at the ends of one of your tables. Then please clear your desk of everything except for a writing utensil. Today we're going to kind of use what we learned yesterday and Monday for our lesson. We're going to be doing stations today. Mr. Bay, would you improve? Our objective today is that students will demonstrate analysis of environmental solutions by comparing eco-friendly innovations. So we kind of prefaced this yesterday. Alright, so there's 8 stations. I'm going to divide you by your lab partner tables. I'm just going to count through 8. You can see that they're posted in the room. When you get to each station, you're going to follow the station directions. As always, they're already printed out for you. I have 2 different sets. You'll be doing it as a whole group, but there's 2 different sets of directions so you guys can kind of share and read over that together. So you'll read through the directions, follow everything it says on there. At the end, you'll return all items to the original site or the original setup that it is, and then you'll complete your anchor activities. You might finish before those 6 minutes ends. That's a perfect time to work on this. Maybe you go right up to the 6 and 8 minutes, and that's fine. Questions? All right, we'll number off, and then I'll tell you to move. So you guys will be 1, 7, 8. Please head to your station.
Classrooms and community, because it's very often 2 to 3 acres of prairie is within the city limits, staff can't prescribe or to maintain
About 2 minutes. All right, that was the timer. That was the timer. When you hear that, I need you to stop what you're doing and then do that second step in there, which is return all materials to its original side or layout. I'll see all materials returned. When you're all turned around and facing me, I'll know we can move. So once I see everyone turned around and facing me, I'll know we can move. Is 6 minutes enough time? Yeah. So far? Okay. Alright, so you're going to move to the next number. So 3s go 4s, 4s go 5s. So go ahead and rotate. We'll go ahead and give you.
Okay, 5th grade students, let's begin talking about what you're doing in each station before we start our reading stations today. With it being Thursday, we're not going to be reading your selected reading story, Ghost Town, this week. Instead, we're going to be reading your level chapter book. So make sure when you're with the teacher station, you bring your level chapter book and that you're ready to go and you're turned to the correct page. When you get to the next station, Fresh Reads, each of you have a separate folder for your team color. So please make sure you find your team's Fresh Read. And I do have some highlighters over here for you, but you will need to justify your answers. And you can underline, highlight, whichever you prefer, but it is independent today. So I want everyone working independently at that station. Next station is your journal writing station, and today, earlier in writing class, we went ahead and kind of got your journal organized for you, but you will be doing an exhibition reflection over our exhibition process. You have 6 questions to reflect on in the journal station today. If you don't finish all 6, that's okay, but I want you to use your time wisely. And the very last station is spelling, and we have some technology back here today. And I have 5 iPads, so please share them. And we're going to be doing Doodle Buddy today on here, so I want you studying your individual spelling words. Each of you have 12. And then the computers are also available. Those of you who want to study your spelling words a different way, we do have our spelling bees over here if you want to use those instead. Are there any questions before we start? Okay, as soon as you hear the transition song, you can get to your first station. So, but Miss Trunchbull turned this around on Miss Honey, and she said, oh, you want to get rid of her, you can't handle her. Why is Miss Trunchbull saying that? Brayden?
Because Miss Trunchbull thinks she's just like a rat.
Why? Though, where is she getting that
I
from?
don't.
Keep going, Brayden.
Matilda's dad thinks that because that video on dealing with the little viper for the sleepwalk on the way. She did not do that.
She did not. What does italicized words mean? She did not.
Doing nothing while I'm teaching the rest of the farm 2 times tables and how to spell cat and rat. The cat thing and mouse. So during each lesson, I shall give you one of these textbooks to study. At the end
Alright,
of
I am going to save my spot here. There is no assignment tonight for you to read at home, but
No, we always do the longest assignment.
you'll have it. You do. Your group, the way I have yours lined up, you'll read like 5 chapters at a time. So you guys won't have them for a little while. We're going to get ready to go if you want to get your stuff ready.
Yeah.
We will. Okay. Can it wait, Greta? Yeah. I had on mine Top of 89. You've done some reading at home though. So you might be at a different spot, but as far as class goes, Top of 89 in my book. Okay, everyone should be to their spot, and I gave the students a point.